Is it bad for me to crack my back?
Well, if it's in your... Can you go that way?
What? That can't be good.
Any pain that way?
Yeah.
Where?
That's in the main area that's painful. Like that, yeah, that area.
Okay. Too much, huh? Don't like this.
I'm trying to do it.
Easy. Nice. Other side.
It's such a scary feeling.
And now drop that left shoulder.
Ow.
Lower the right. That's all I'm gonna get. All right, take a deep breath in. I'm gonna adjust it. Let it all the way out. Push, push. Good. Perfect. Good.
Like that feels like something I need to just go.
Let that shoulder go. Let it drop. That's it. Perfect. If you saw how... It's not comfortable yet. Breathe. I want you to breathe. Here you go.
Wow, that hurt a lot.
I told you. Back up. Back the leg. That's the nerve right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's just, I don't know, a little bit. Does that still hurt?
Not really.